Hi everyone, welcome back. Fun Art by Linda. We are going to use the blow dryer everybody's talking about. The Yiiho? I don't know how to say it. I'm not used to using blow dryers, so bear with me. I want to use the same colors I used in a tile test I did. Also a cell activator test, and it worked amazing. So this is what I want to try and attempt today. Just pouring on the colors I used. This is a dry pigment, pearl blue. This next one is another pigment. They're all pigments. And this is Black Sea. I don't know why they call it that. It's blue. And it's gorgeous. Not sure how I'm gonna work that blow dryer, but you're going to be my witness today. 3 cell activators also. That's what gave me the great success on that last one. The last test I did. So I'm just making sure I have enough color. Think I have enough color. And I used Pebeo Titanium White. It scares me to put this much on here, but I need it. And Amsterdam Oxide Black. Just moved it back to the center. And the last one I used was Amsterdam Aqua Green, and I mixed it quite a while ago, so I thought, you know what, I gotta get using this thing. This thing is beautiful blue green. So this is going to be the final color on top. Cell activator. There we go. 3. Now, you're not going to hear me when I'm using this, so here we are attempting a blow dryer blow. I see some bubbles. Don't want those getting bigger. All right, here we go. Not very good at doing that. We'll see what we get. Getting cells. Don't like that area there. But I can always try and blow it in. Like that. And it hit it just like that. I can't believe I did that. Interesting. Very interesting. Maybe I'll have to use the blow dryer more often. Surprising it. And I didn't want to blow right to the edges because spinning is going to take care of that for me. So I have a 5-day challenge coming, and I may have to use this on the bigger ones because obviously it just takes some practice, and I think I can do it. I'm going to attempt to blow some of the cell activator here. I think that worked. I think we're almost ready to spin. We are slow and steady so it spreads out. I had the world's smallest blow dryer too, but I haven't had too much success doing that. So maybe it just takes practice as well. Paint is spinning everywhere. Oh my. What the heck did I just create? Oh my. Can you believe that, guys? I can't believe that. I'm happy. I've got to get paint spun off a little bit more here. This would be nice to be gone. I don't think it's going to go off though. I will try. Yeah, I'm going to have to use this blow dryer some more. Here I was struggling getting the cell activator across, and of course it was just destroying the outcome of it. Well, I don't have to worry anymore. That's why everybody's talking about him. And making sure, obviously, you have enough of the cell activator on there makes a big difference too. Let's see if I can bring that over. Even just a little. Doesn't want to move on this part. But that's a learning curve, right? That kind of looks like water. Gonna have to use my skewer to start spinning it because it's all wet. Ooh, no, don't do that. Almost got the canvas. There. Still hard to do. Oh, this is gorgeous. I just love these blues. But everybody knows I love blue. Come over a little bit. Persistence. And this video is only 9 minutes, 39 seconds so far. And look at the success we've got. Ay, ay, ay. Beautiful. I shocked myself. How are we doing there? It's come down quite a bit. I think I'm only going to spin once more because I don't want to lose too much more. Yeah, those are gorgeous cells too. We can, and we will add some swirls on here. Just for hiding that area that's got nothing. That's the only area that needed it. Wow, I can't believe that. Here I am saying wow like crazy again. Well, now where's that area? Did it all fill in? Well, I can't say anything else. You gotta see this guy. I don't think I've ever done anything so big, so beautiful. Very happy with this one. On that note, I am going to get another board and go do some more. Thank you everyone for stopping in and checking us out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to create next. I have fun experimenting and playing with all the paints and the colors. And share the video if you like the video so much you want others to see it. I would appreciate it. Thank you everyone for stopping in again, and have a great day.